Hey guys, and welcome to your fourth hammer tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the clipping tool and the vertex tool. Starting with the clipping tool. This is used to divide a brush into multiple parts. So let's say we want to have this block divided in two. So I drag a line through my brush. Doesn't matter exactly where, if it just on grid and through your brush. Okay, so the part that is red will be removed and the part that is white will be kept. Obviously you might want to change this, so press the clipping tool once and it will switch. So now the upper part is red and will be removed, and the down part is white and will be kept. So when I press enter now, basically it's now gone. But I want to divide it in two, so I drag a new line and I press one time, and now you can see it's both sides are white. You can just toggle this when you have the effect you want. So now I just want to divide it. I press enter and now I have two different brushes. Well, that's basically it. You can clip it in any way you want. It's a very useful and very easy tool to use. Well, now the vertex points. Every brush will have vertex points based on where the points meet on the grid. So every corner of your brush will represent a vertex point, and we can manipulate this. So let's say I want to have it 2 units higher. I can just drag it 2 units above, press on my selection tool to apply, and as you can see, the vertex points has now been manipulated. Alright, now I can edit this very easily. As you can see, this vertex points has also been manipulated. There's also an option to merge two vertex points together. So when I drag this white vertex point into this white vertex point, it will ask me to merge these. I press yes, and the vertexes has been merged. Alright, now I'm going to show you what we can do with this. I've already made a better stair. Last time we've made the stair like this. Just 6 blocks. Very easy, but not really correct way. I've made it here again, and this is the correct way. So I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, we're going to resize our blocks. Alright. Like this. Alright, looking cool already. Now we're going to select them all, press Ctrl and click on each block. Now proceed to release, press the clipping tool and drag a line. Oh, I missed one. No, drag a line from up to the bottom and make sure the bottom part is colored red. If it's not, press a couple of times on the clipping tool to switch and then press enter. And now, as you can see, it has been divided. And now all we want to do is make a little block over here, so we can't watch through it. That would be very unrealistic. So get your block tool and drag it over your stairs and press enter. As you can see, it's clipping in each other now. That's no problem, because we are going to remove the part that is clipping. Remove the upper part, click a few times to make sure the upper part is red, press enter, and if you had another texture like me, click on the face edit sheet, click the texture you want and right click on this, or just select the whole part and click on the apply current texture tool. Well, what we can also do is to make it move easier, to drag it easier, we can group this. So if you want to group something, you click on the part you want to group and you hold Ctrl to select multiple, press Ctrl G or go to Tools Group, and we can also ungroup by going to Tools Ungroup. And I seem to have some problems. Well, there we go. Sometimes you just have to do it twice. Yes, it's working. Alright, now we've made ourselves some very cool stairs, and now you have learned how to manipulate vertexes and make cool shapes. Just one tip, make sure you're holding your vertex points on the grid, so don't ever press Alt and move your vertex point from your grid. Just make sure it's on grid. This will make sure you have less difficulties when compiling. Well, I've hoped I've helped you. If you liked this tutorial, please comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Hammer tutorial.